So once the project is started, again further EC not required. Actually, that's what I'm referring to the EIA notification 2006. It is very clearly mentioned. I don't know the interpretation of Pollution Control Board members, land members. So we will be requesting them to re-examine it again, because it is very clearly written that once that's what prior environmental clearance. So further EC not required. Only within that period they have to start the project. So that they are meaning that every 5 years you have to go for environmental clearance. That doesn't mean that now the entire projects all over India, all the ports per se, you have to go for again and again environmental clearance. It's not like that. Secondly, the consent to operate. Here the Pollution Control Board gives only for 2 years. But the standard rules communicated from the MOEF also says clearly there are 3 categories of industries: red industry, orange and green. 3 categories. Port is included in 1B, coming under red. There the consent to operate is 5 years, orange will be 10 years, green unlimited consent to operate. So if you take into that one, so consent to operate should be for 5 years. But Goa Pollution Control Board takes only 2 years. Locally they are doing their own rules. So we will be requesting the Pollution Control Board again to reconsider. You go as per books. That's it. So let us see now. Otherwise we'll take the legal course, and then let us find out what is correct. Then whatever the decision we'll follow. Not a problem. So central NGT, there is one hearing is going on. 4th there is a hearing. So we will put forth this point also in that argument. So let the central NGT also introspect and take a call on that.
हे पयलीं मुरिंग डॉल्फिनाचेर पोर्ट कोळसो हाताळटाले. आतां पीग आयर्न लायमस्टोन रेव हाताळपाचो तांचो प्रस्ताव आशिल्लो. मात फाटल्या सप्तकांत राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान MPT कडेन योग्य तो पर्यावरण दाखलो ना म्हूण सांगून तांचो प्रस्ताव भायर मारलो. MPT आतां दिल्ली NGT मुखार वतली. प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.